Friends, and welcome to Born to Be Zesty. If you're new here, my name is Tori, and my YouTube channel is a celebration of self-care through fashion, beauty, and lifestyle, primarily for the fierce and fabulous over 40, but all are welcome to enjoy the zesty flavors. I also share my passions for food, fitness, and home decor. On this channel, I unapologetically pour into self so that I can be at my best to pour into others. If that sounds like your vibe, be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. So today I'm going to be sharing with you some new shoes that I've recently added to my collection. They are from a brand that may be new to many of you, and that brand is Cosy Island. I became familiar with them because I did a collaboration with them over on Instagram. And if you're not following your girl on Instagram, honey, what are you doing? That is where all of my daily style inspo goes live. Although I also post on TikTok, Pinterest, and YouTube Shorts. So if you're not checking out my daily style inspo, be sure to go on over there and give your girl a follow. It's a great way to get your daily style inspo fix between these YouTube videos. It's Born to Be Zesty on all platforms, and I would love to be able to share my daily style inspo with each and every one of you. I first learned about Cosy Island over on Instagram. I'd seen a number of their product posts, and they have a really good collection. In my opinion, I feel like the styles are very minimal but very chic, which to me makes them very versatile, and I love a versatile piece that can work with a number of items in my wardrobe. Not only do I get my cost per wear, but I know that I've got those much needed essentials. So let me share with you the new items that I picked up from Cosy Island. So here's the first item. Everything comes in really well packaged. They've got this really nice, this is like a cloth lining. It's actually very heavy duty. I remember the first time I saw this, I was like, they're putting a lot of effort into the packaging, which we love. But the packaging is good thing, you know, the product is great. So as I'm talking about this and unwrapping these packages, I just took the time to actually pull this thing out. It is like something that allows you to measure. It's got like the outline of feet here, and then you've got like the little measuring guide. So I'm assuming that this is something that they probably provide just to make sure you're getting the most accurate fit available. But when I tell you, this is really nice. This is a really high quality fabric that they have added to the packaging. Very impressive. So each shoe comes with its own dust bag, which is really nice. That's great for storage and traveling. Look at this beauty here. First and foremost, I'm obsessed with the color. I don't own a blue shoe, not a navy blue shoe or royal blue shoe, anything of the sort. And as you know, a lot of times when you're wearing blue pants or a blue skirt, and I like to match my bottom to my shoe. Of course, there's a whole styling aesthetic behind that. I have multiple videos on that in my styling playlist. If you have questions about that, be sure to go check them out. I will try to remember to link a few for you. All that to say, I did not have anything in a blue. So when they sent me the line sheets to pick out my items and I saw this shoe, not only was I in love with the style of the shoe, but this color was an absolute no-brainer for me. So I love the fact that it is a mule. We are headed into spring, so I did have spring on the brain when I was picking out my selections. I love that they paired this royal blue with this beautiful silver. I think that it complements the color of the shoe perfectly. This is such a sleek and stylish shoe. I'm absolutely loving it. What I want to bring your attention to is the fabric. This is one of the things that sets Cosy Island apart. So you got to think, in the course of a day, how much time do we spend in shoes? I would venture to say a lot. I'm thinking that we probably spend about 3/4 of our day in shoes. So shoes should be comfortable, not only stylish, not only complete the look, but they shouldn't break our feet. If I can't queen around in my fabulous outfit looking like I'm walking on air, then girl, what is the point? You look uncomfortable. You look uncomfortable, which is an interruption to your confidence and the overall presentation. So Cosy Island really thought about that, which is even some of the working behind the name. They felt like the shoe should be a cozy island for your foot to rest in throughout the day. As such, they put a lot of thought into the fabrics and the construction of the shoes. I mean, you got to think, long days in your shoes, it's one of the reasons that so many people suffer from bunions and bursitis, because you spend hours upon hours in a restrictive and uncomfortable shoe. Of course, the styles are phenomenal, but the key here is in the construction. So the insoles are designed with reinforced arch and foot support to reduce foot fatigue throughout the day. The front of this shoe is constructed with a fabric material, and then you have the vegan leather backing for the heel and the little band that wraps around the front of the shoe. Now these shoes are sustainably made, which I absolutely appreciate. An elastic yarn is integrated with advanced 3D knit technology. The elastic yarn is spun from recycled plastic bags. So not only are these shoes absolutely stunning, super stylish, they're comfortable, they're breathable, and they're eco-friendly. So it's a shoe that you can feel good in and a brand that you can feel good about supporting. And this cobalt blue, as we're going into spring with this mule style shoe, I know this is something that I'll definitely get a lot of wear out of. And this is a stunning style. It's simple and chic, and so I know that this shoe will have longevity in my wardrobe. Let's get into the next pair. Of course, both shoes have the dust bag. Now this is another mule style shoe. I think they're absolutely ideal for spring, especially as we're approaching that transition season where you're not quite ready to jump into a full sandal, but you don't necessarily need to have like a boot or a full coverage. A mule is perfect for that spring transition season. And this, again, with this cute little kitten heel, I love that it's got like a nice wide base, so it's very stable. And of course they all have the rubber backing on the sole, so they're slip proof, again providing that additional stability. But look at this shoe. Now, for those of you who've been rocking with me, you guys know that I really love a zebra print. And although this isn't technically a zebra print, it's definitely giving the vibe. I'm also really loving these really cute, like little delicate bow details here at the front of the shoe. Again, you've got that very thin, very delicate and feminine strap going across the foot. Nice pointy toe, the mule styling. Like, this is such a great piece. And again, you've got that great construction, but an arch support in a beautiful, breathable, stylish, and comfortable shoe. She's a baddie. I can see it. I've got the looks are rolling. So good. Oh my goodness. Okay, so in this one, I've got to check the rest of my boxes, but in this box here with this next pair of shoes, they added a pair of little insoles just for additional comfort if needed. I didn't even realize that they had insoles available. And these are nice, like they're nice and thick. They've got a nice thick cushion on it, and it's got a little slip-proof backing to help them stay in place. Okay, that is fantastic. Let me make sure I put these somewhere because I know I've got some other shoes that need a little cozy support. Isn't she stunning? I love the super pointy toe, but look at that little bit of platform that you've got here in the front of the shoe. And you know, platforms help to make shoes even more comfortable because you're not just like your foot, the ball of your foot isn't walking on that concrete. So you've got that extra support, again, the slip-free soles. This has got a nice sleek heel, super sexy. This is going to be so good with dresses. And again, I love the little delicate strap. You've got the gold buckle detailing here. And look at that little like crisscrossing detail that you've got here coming from the base of the shoe into that ankle strap. I'm loving that little extra styling element. And this is actually filling a gap in my wardrobe. I'm working on curating my wardrobe, starting with my spring wardrobe. I've been going through it kind of section by section, and I'm looking at my wall right now, and I did not have a nice black pump with a really strong heel. And this one is absolutely fantastic. This is a very classic design. Again, super versatile piece that I am sure to get a ton of wear out of. Now, I can tell you I am a true fan of Cosy Island, as I do have a couple of other pairs from them. So I've got two other pair of boots here. These two boots, both from Cosy Island. Again, if you watch my styling videos or have checked out any of my reels, I'm sure that you've seen these two pieces before. They're all equipped with those very stable heels so you can feel safe, secure, and confident in your look. All constructed with that ergonomic design for comfortable arch support. Textured rubber sole for slip resistant. And I can tell you, I have worn these boots out and about, and I have been able to be comfortable in them all day long. I know that I've worn this boot all day long for shopping, lunch, and dinner with the girl. 100% comfort, and I got a ton of compliments on the boot because look at her. She's super cute. And if I did not mention one of the great features of this fantastic, comfortable, and breathable fabric, it's wide foot friendly, and I do have a wide foot, so I can personally attest to the comfort. So of course I secured a discount code because I want you all to be able to experience the comfort and style of Cozy Island. So apply my discount code at checkout. I'll pop it up here on screen, and you can get 10% off your Cozy Island purchase. I will have all of the product details linked in the description box below, as well as in a pinned comment. Be sure to let me know which one of these styles was your favorite, and let me know if you all have heard of Cozy Island or if you've ever purchased any of their merchandise. So thank you so much to Cozy Island for sponsoring today's video. So be sure to go on over and check out all the amazing styles available from Cozy Island. Thank you so much for spending a portion of your day with me. I greatly appreciate it. Wherever you are in the world, I hope that you are walking in gratitude and that you are dreaming big and living even bigger. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.